Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this Goan stew. This Goan stew recipe is made of pork, beef, or you can also add chicken. It has a great balance of spice and flavor without one overpowering the other. If you like Indian food that are not too spicy, then this should be on your list. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first keep water to boil for pasta. Then take 600 grams of diced beef and add some salt to taste. Add half tablespoon vinegar. Add half tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Mix this very nicely. And then marinate this for about 1 hour. Then take 600 grams diced pork. Add some salt to taste. Add half tablespoon vinegar. Add half tablespoon ginger garlic paste. And mix and marinate this for about 1 hour. Then when water starts to boil, add 500 grams of pasta. You can use elbow pasta or spirally pasta. Add some salt to taste. Add 3 tablespoon oil and give this a really nice mix. Adding oil will ensure that pasta won't stick together. Cover it and cook until the pasta is nicely cooked. Then make sure to remove 1 cup pasta water and keep it aside. Then simply strain the pasta. There you go, the pasta is ready now. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 4 chopped garlic cloves. Add 2-inch chopped ginger. And fry this for about 1 minute. Then add 4 or 1 bowl chopped onion and fry this until the onion is nice and soft. Something like this. Then add 10 cloves and 2-inch cinnamon sticks and fry this for about 2 minutes. Then add 2 chopped tomatoes and fry this until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add the marinated beef and fry this for about 2 minutes. Then cover and cook it for about 20 minutes. Then add the marinated pork and give this a nice mix. Then add half cup pasta water and cover it and cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then add 1 bowl or 4 diced potatoes. Add 1 bowl or 4 large carrots cut in dices. Mix this really nicely. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and mix this really nicely. Cover it and cook until the carrots and potatoes are nice and soft. There you go, it's ready now. Give this a really nice mix. Then add half cup frozen green peas and add cooked pasta. Add 1 cube butter and give this a really nice mix. Then add half cup pasta water and add some salt if required. Then cover it and reduce the flame and cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes. There you go, the pasta is ready now. Then give this a really nice mix and it is ready to be served. I hope you like this recipe guys, and I hope you will try this recipe at home. If you like this recipe, then please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes in the future. And if you want me to make any specific recipe, then please do comment and let me know. I will definitely try my best to make it. This is really simple and very easy recipe that anyone can make it. So please do try this recipe at home. It's super delicious and you'll absolutely love it. So thanks for watching my recipe guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.